Hi, I am Mukundhan. Hi friends, you all love your mom and dad. Here comes my poem. My mom, my superwoman, my dad, my superhero. My mom, my lovable angel. My dad, my dearest hero. Oh, lockdown, cheerful days for my elders. Oh, worksheet. No wonder busy days for me too. My worksheets, my artworks, my craft works, all piled up like a huge mountain. I sit with my palms on my cheeks. Here comes my miracle angel teacher. My angel, my mom, makes everything easy for me, happy me. Oh, missing my friends, missing my fun at park. My sweetheart, all pranks at my home. Love to see anger on elders. The next moment, it melts like a snow. As I pass with a flashing smile. Yes, enjoying my cartoons, enjoying my computer artworks, enjoying my long break and munching my favorites. Oh, competition. Everywhere. In schools, Facebook groups. Here comes my hero, guiding my assertions, drafting my speech, and creating all lovable videos. Hey dad, I'm a tiny dot. Immature is my brain. My mom makes it short and sweet with live expressions here and there. No pressure. I live it at my ease. How blessed I am. Happy to have you both as my mom and dad. Thank you.